Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. Today, we're looking at Thinkorswim, and BlackBerry has been on a bit of a run, along with the other meme and momentum stocks, thanks to Wall Street Bets. So it looks like the $13 put that I had is going to expire worthless today. At least that's the gamble I'm going to take. But this $21 doesn't look like it's going to cut it. So hopefully it's going to run again in the future. But right now, I'm going to roll. $20 is pretty good for a week, but I'm going to roll it out to the month. So we're out in the monthly expiration. That's pretty good. I'm not going to get too greedy here. That's actually pretty decent. $50. I'll be very happy with that if I can get it. Okay. That's all I want to do. Alright, take a look. Good. Back to positions. And you can see we now have a put out in July. Alright, so that's been put off for a month. Today's expiration day, so I was taking the risk that I could have been assigned Thursday or Friday today. But it didn't happen. The other one I have in here is IDEX. Ideonomics. Looks like it's doing pretty good. It's just barely squeaking by. So, I'm not going to do anything with that one. You can see I already own some. And I got 51 cents for that option. Pretty good. So, as long as it doesn't go under 250, I'm good. Alright, you can see on the other set we have. Looking okay. Alright guys, I think that does it for this account for this month. Be sure to subscribe to learn how to handle these options and the daily options trade and other wealth building techniques on my channel. Alright guys, thanks for watching.